Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, how to insert and search for comments, I'm going to show you how to use the commenting system to communicate with scopists, proofreaders, or even to simply leave reminders for yourself. Comments are a great way to communicate within a file, whether it's with other people like scopists or proofreaders, or even just to make reminders for yourself. There are several ways to make comments, and I'll show you how to perform a couple of them in this video. The most common way that comments are inserted is simply by placing your cursor wherever you'd like the comment to go, hitting Alt-N, and choosing Comment from the list. As soon as I press Enter, I'll be taken to a blank line where I can begin typing. And so I can leave a note either for myself or for a proofreader or scopist to check the spelling of this name. And once I'm done with whatever comment I want to leave, I can simply hit enter, and the comment disappears since I don't have print commands turned on. If I go to my settings and to display, there's an option to check print commands. And if I check that, I'll be able to see all of my print commands, and those include the comments. The print commands are always here whether you can see them or not. And if you don't like having print commands turned on, you're able to search for your comments later. I'm going to turn print commands back off for right now. Alt-N is just one of the ways that you can insert a comment. You could also make a macro to insert a comment by using the macro recorder function that we went over in a previous video. I'll put a link to that video at the top right. But you can also use comments from your steno machine. You can add a stroke into your dictionary and have that stroke bring in a comment for you. If I hit Control-D, I can pick steno for comment, and the dictionary entry that I can define that as is open curly bracket, PRT for print command, colon, and then comment with a capital C, since that is how it shows up in the list. I can do close curly bracket, and at this point there are two options of how I could handle a dictionary entry comment. If I leave the stroke just defined as this, when I stroke this steno, it'll automatically take me into a comment that I can then stroke more information into. I can write whatever my comment is from my steno machine or with my voisteno mask. And once I'm done writing the comment, I can write another stroke such as question or answer or speaker or a fixed paragraph command to exit the comment. If I do leave the definition defined just like this, I will have to have another stroke that'll exit the comment. And so what some people prefer to do instead is to simply have the comment say something like check or check spelling or even check audio. And they will have a fixed paragraph command automatically in the definition so that this comment will be inserted automatically and there won't be any extra steps. No matter how you decide to insert print command comments, they'll come out the same way in the document and you'll be able to search for them the same way. There are two ways that you can see the comments that are in your document. You can go to Tools and then Job Report, and this will show you each of the print commands in your document. You see that on page 3, line 6, I have CO colon, which stands for comment, and it has the check Ashley spelling comment that I inserted. I'm going to close out of that window, and I'll go to a different page, and I'm going to insert a few more comments in this document. And when I go up to Tools Job Report this time, you'll see that now all three of those comments have been inserted, and I can simply double click on them to jump to that location in my document. And I can make any changes that I need to. In this case, if I want to, I can simply add this word to my spelling dictionary. And in other places, I can jump to this area and I can place my cursor on whatever I want to hear and play the audio. And here, if I need to, I can simply look up this word with the Google search macro. Instead of using the job report function to search for comments, You can also use the regular search function to look for them. If I go to the top of the document, I can press F5, I can choose print command, and I can choose comment. If I press OK, it'll take me to the first one. And if I press Control L, it'll take me to the next. If I press Control L again, it'll take me to the next. And like regular search functions, if I hit Shift Control L, it'll search in reverse. So if I hit Shift Control L, it takes me to the previous comment, and if I hit Shift Control L again, it'll take me to the very first comment. In addition to simply inserting, searching for, or using the job report function to see your comments, you can also choose to print them. This function might be especially helpful if you have a proofreader who requests that you only send them a PDF. If, for instance, you do have a proofreader who likes to receive only a PDF file from you, and you still want them to be able to see the comments you've left, you can use the draft print function in order to print your comments. If you go to Production, Output to PDF, or Output to Print, and then do Print Image options, one of the options here is Draft. If I check Draft and then press OK and OK, my file is turned into a draft PDF, which has a light watermark on it, but additionally, in my document, the comments themselves will print as well. So if I scroll through my document, I see my first comment for check Ashley spelling, and I see the check audio comment, and I see the check spelling for dactylian comment. So if you do produce a PDF file only for one of your proofreaders, but you would like them to benefit from the comments that you or your scopists have added, the draft print function is a great way to do that. Thank you for watching this video about comments. Comments are simple to use, they're easy to insert and easy to find, and they're a fantastic way to communicate with other people or even reminders for yourself when you're working on a document. They can be used during team editing, or simply if you're emailing files back and forth between people. The draft print function means that they're also available to proofreaders who don't have CAT systems. And between searching for comments directly and the job report function, you can always find the information that you need in your document. If you have any questions about Eclipse or any of Advantage Software's other great products, we do offer anytime support 24/7. Tech support is available anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is additionally available at support@eclipsecat.com. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.